Please welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm so tired. But guess what? I got noodles. I'm the girl that has went to the needle. And got a moment. I looked at my friend. But look at this. So cool. I love it. Anyway, guys, so let me hold it and show you guys. Wait, I need to tell you out. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for coming in my video. But guys, make sure you subscribe. Please subscribe. And in the next video, I will be giving out some phones and some iPads. So subscribe for them and comment down below if you want one.